Tropical Storm Faye is on the way here to Montauk. Currently the time is 5:15 and I got off of work. As you can see, it's still sunny outside, but it's definitely starting to get windy. But I just have to take this opportunity to go surfing in a tropical storm. The winds are starting to pick up. They're right now about 20 miles per hour, but it's gonna get up to 35, 45 miles per hour. So I'm gonna have to go pretty darn soon if I wanna stay safe. The storm's name is Tropical Storm Faye, as you can see. But if we get to 1,000 likes on this video, I'll make sure to contact NOAA and ask them to change it to Tropical Storm Fisher. The wind that's not good wind. Alrighty, so we made it to the beach. As you can see, we parked the bikes. The plan is, I have the wrist mount. I'm gonna put the wrist mount on once I get outside of the break. But right now, my only worry is getting outside past the break. But this is gonna be tough to do. I might not even do it. I got a little flies in my stomach. I got a little butterflies in my stomach.
If you build yourself a man, you know just what to get. What comes after this? Momentary bliss, consequence of what you do to me. Help me today.
I didn't make it out in attempt number 1. Attempt number 2, here it goes. I'm just trying to make it out. I just want one wave, that's all I want.
With a new direction.